a city of innovation, diversity, and fast-paced living. Amidst its charm and vibrance, the challenges of modern living, environmental stress, and pollution have taken a toll on many, especially when it comes to hair health. Recognizing this growing concern, Advanced Hair Studio brought its world-class hair restoration expertise to Bangalore in 2011. Since then, we've become a trusted destination for individuals seeking to transform their appearance and confidence. At Advanced Hair Studio Bangalore, we believe hair loss isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's deeply personal. That's why we go beyond treating the symptoms, focusing on holistic solutions that address the root causes of hair loss. Your journey begins with a comprehensive advanced hair check, where our experts analyze your hair health and craft a customized treatment plan designed just for you. From advanced clinical techniques to non-clinical options like strand-by-strand cosmetic and advanced laser therapy, we offer a complete range of solutions backed by years of research and success. With over a decade of excellence in Bangalore, Advanced Hair Studio has helped countless individuals regain not just their hair, but their confidence. Our results are natural, lasting, and life-changing. At Advanced Hair Studio Bangalore, you're more than just a client. From consultation to post-treatment care, our team is dedicated to making your journey comfortable, respectful, and entirely confidential. Whether it's hair thinning, baldness, or scalp concerns, Advanced Hair Studio Bangalore is your trusted partner in hair restoration. With cutting-edge technology, globally certified professionals, and a commitment to excellence, we're here to transform your life, one strand at a time. Visit Advanced Hair Studio Bangalore and discover why we're the city's leading destination for hair restoration. Because when it comes to your confidence, only the best will do.